I'm sure you've heard the news. Tech reviews and movie teasers are our jam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sidling, and I'm thrilled to have you here. If you're passionate about tech reviews and movie teaser reactions, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we dive deep into the latest gadgets, breaking down all the specs and features you need to know. And for you cinephiles, we react to the hottest movie teasers, giving you our take on the must-see films coming your way. So, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Join the community, share your thoughts, and let's geek out together. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get started.
Stop doing nothing and start your YouTube journey today. Here's how. Step 1. Define your niche. Love gaming, cooking, or tech reviews? Pick what excites you. Step 2. Plan your content. Consistency is key. Plan your uploads and stick to it like glue. Step 3. Get the right equipment. A good camera, microphone, and lighting can turn your video from May to mesmerizing. Step 4. Create and edit videos. Shoot your content and polish it with editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or free ones like DaVinci Resolve. Step 5. Optimize for search. Use keywords, tags, and engaging thumbnails. Make your content easy to find and hard to ignore. Step 6. Promote your channel. Share your videos everywhere. Social media, forums, you name it. Build a community by engaging with your viewers. Step 7. Analyze and adapt. Use YouTube analytics to see what's clicking. Adjust your strategy and keep improving. Starting out might feel overwhelming, but take it step by step and enjoy the journey. You've got this.
You need to hear this if you're a budding YouTube star. These tips will change your game. Hey, YouTube creators, ready to unlock the secrets of success? Today, we're diving into top tips to boost your channel. First up, consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience hooked. Next, thumbnails. Make them eye-catching and relevant. It's your first impression, so make it count. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments and ask questions. Make them feel part of your community. And don't forget SEO. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions. Help people find your awesome content. Finally, be authentic. Show your true self and build trust with your audience. They're here for you, so give them the real deal. Want more tips? Subscribe to YouTube Reactions and never miss an update. Hit that bell icon for notifications. Let's create something amazing together. Catch you in the next video.
Why do 70% of successful YouTubers have one thing in common? They found their niche. Here's how you can too. First up, tutorials and how-to videos. Share your skills in tech, cooking, or DIY crafts. People love to learn new things. Next, vlogs. Take your audience behind the scenes of your daily life or adventures. Personal stories can build a loyal following. Reviews and unboxings are always a hit. Give honest opinions on products or gadgets. Unboxing new items can be super exciting. Gamers, we've got you covered too. Share playthroughs, reviews, or game tips. Gaming content is huge. Don't forget educational content. Teach history, science, or even a new language. Knowledge is power. Love to entertain? Create skits, challenges, or reaction videos. Bring on the laughs and creativity. Fitness buffs? Share workout routines and health tips. Help your audience stay fit and healthy. Finally, if you're musically inclined, share your talent. Performances and covers can attract music lovers. Remember, choose what you're passionate about. Your enthusiasm will shine through and connect with your audience. Happy creating!
I bet you didn't know creating awesome content could be this easy. Ready to upgrade your skills? Let's get started. First up, we have Canva, your go-to for thumbnails, social media graphics, and even quick video edits. User-friendly and perfect for beginners. Next, check out InShot. It's a mobile app that's awesome for fast video edits, adding music and cool filters. Ideal for on-the-go creators. For video editing software, try iMovie if you're on a Mac. It's super beginner-friendly with all the basic tools you need. Or give Shotcut a go. It's free and versatile for all skill levels. Want something a bit more advanced? DaVinci Resolve might seem intimidating, but with a bit of practice, it's a game changer. Now, a few quick tips. Start with a template to save time, use presets for effects, and keep your edits simple and clear. And always plan your shots to cut down on editing work. Finally, remember, use a tripod for steady shots and ensure good lighting to avoid extra editing. With these tools and tips, you'll be creating and editing like a pro in no time. Happy content creating.
Think becoming a YouTuber is all fun and games? Think again. First off, creating content isn't just hitting record and posting. You need to plan, film, edit, and maybe even invest in some gear. And growing an audience, yeah, that takes time. Understanding SEO, engaging with viewers, and promoting on other platforms, it's a lot. Then there's making money. You need to join YouTube's partner program, deal with ads, sponsors, and other revenue streams. And don't forget the competition. There are millions of creators out there, plus YouTube's algorithm is always changing, affecting your visibility. Consistency is key too. Keeping up with regular uploads can be exhausting. Oh, and you'll need some technical skills. Think video editing and graphic design. Finally, remember your mental health. The pressure, negative comments, and always being on can be tough. But with persistence and adaptability, you can navigate these challenges and thrive.
Ready for more awesome content? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. If you had a good time watching, give this video a thumbs up. And hey, why not subscribe? That way you won't miss out on any of our updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell too. It's your VIP pass to instant updates on all our latest videos. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback helps us create even better content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome.